So here is interesting app called Camcord Vlog Your Life. It's climbing quite high in the social networking apps these days. I don't know, maybe it just went viral on TikTok. That's what usually happens when these apps start to climb quite high. Yeah, Camcord is the vlogging camera in your pocket. Create entire vlogs from your phone and share them with the world. Simple vlogging without the hassle of editing. Start recording clips, and Camcord will stitch everything in one vlog you can easily share anywhere. So that's one of the quick, nice things about this app. You can just record small snippets vlogs here, there, and then you don't need to use some InShot, some iMovie, some editing software, or like Camtasia. Go to your MacBook, just spend hours in editing. Of course, you need to do that for professional big vlogs, but here you can just record these clips. For example, you're traveling somewhere and it will just stitch it automatically for you. So it's pretty handy. Then, of course, it's a community app. You can watch similar vlogs from your friends. You can leave comments on the vlogs. So yeah, here is the app. Here is how it looks like. So you just have your profile. You can go and search. You can see some top global vlogs. As you can see at the moment, it's very few viewers. Here is like 700 views, 200 views, and all of that. You can see top vloggers. Then if you wanna, you can just start vlogging. So this is how it looks like. So you can just start recording with the camera, which takes just like half of your screen, and you just tap start vlogging, and then you record different clips, and then you just stitch them together. So I tried to do that. Like, here's my account, and then I just recorded some like sofa vlog, and then you can just see that. You can follow yourself obviously, but that's your account, which you can create here. You can see your profile. You can then just see some settings. You can create private profile. You can just do that. All public vlogs will turn private, and then people won't be able to discover that. You can see your username. You can change that. Actually, it's a good time to get some nice username on this app. In case it just goes viral, then you will just have nice first name, username aside it. And then yeah, you can just have your account. You can delete your account if you don't want to use this app. You can get some help. So yeah, add some friends. So you can just add some friends here, update self, just change your profile picture, share the vlog. So yeah, this is an app focused just really about vlogging and making vlogging easier. And if you are shy about vlogging but really want to try it, this can be a good start, because on YouTube, sometimes when you're just starting out, you can get actually a lot of exposure, a lot of views. If you're not afraid of that, then yeah, just go obviously on YouTube. But if you just want to practice, and if you just want to become more convenient, more comfortable with vlogging, and just like with your phone and not being shy to share yourself with friends, then you maybe start with some smaller apps like this one. Just get some hand on it, get some experience, and then yeah, you will be able to get more practice, and then just go on YouTube, for example. But who knows, maybe this app really becomes big and you don't need YouTube anymore. But who knows? So there you have it.